What's up, everybody? Derek Soares of Photo Portal, coming from a new location, temporary. I'm in the middle of trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. A while back, I made a video talking about, I'm never gonna quit, I'm never gonna stop, you're never too old to start nothing, yada, yada, yada. And I'm gonna keep going, but God seems to have said the opposite, sending a storm my way. A literal one, literal storm. It was a huge downpour of rain that caused flooding all over Quebec.
Raya, we made it. We made it back just in time.
Uh-oh. And first time in 20-something years, my parents' basement got flooded, which had my YouTube setup and all of the stuff to make YouTube videos and to keep going forward. Luckily for me, though, had my camera gear with me at my place, and whatever. What I lost, my backdrop. I lost a couple of lights and things like that, but that isn't even that important. More important to me was my parents' basement and the damage that it caused, and they got a lot of work to do because of it. But they'll bounce back, so will I. I'm gonna have to try to find something new. Right now I'm just in a bedroom. I don't have much place for a YouTube setup, but I will, because I still believe that I am not gonna stop. I would still like to continue to try and continue to push forward and continue to make YouTube videos. Sometimes these things happen and you could either just curl up in a ball and cry about it, or you could use it as a new beginning. And I'm gonna have to come up with some kind of a new beginning to this journey by finding another place to do my stuff. This is Derek Soares of Photo Portal telling you sometimes things get tough. Life is unpredictable and natural disasters happen. And this natural disaster, everybody's fine. Nothing happened to anybody. That's the most important. Lost a couple material things, but that's nothing. Everyone's safe. Everyone is okay. Little elbow grease and the house will be fixed. The basement will be fixed. And I will slowly replace the things that I lost. More important for me is that my parents do everything that they need to do. And the rest of it, well, it is what it is. You look for the positive and try to make something of it is what I'm gonna do. Kind of got no choice, right? It's either that or just quit. And I'm not gonna quit. I ain't no quitter. That's right. You heard it here. Derek Soares, Photo Portal. I'll be back sometime soon. Sorry for the look. Hopefully I could change it up in the near future. I don't know. Peace.